What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at where the spare tire, the jack, and the lug nut wrench that you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a 2024 Hyundai Kona. So all those items I just mentioned are going to be located inside the vehicle at the rear. As you can see, I've already got the back hatch open. Then what I'm going to do is pick up on this deck lid and fold this over. And if you want, this whole lid will actually pull out if you want to, but you can access pretty much everything by just tipping it back like that. Taking a look down in here, if we grab this little styrofoam tray, there's some tools in here. This is going to be what's a recovery hook. We have our lug nut wrench, which will also be part of the jack handle. This is part of the jack handle. And then we have our jack right here. And if you're unfamiliar, the way this will work is for the jack handle, this part will clip on there like that. And then the lug nut wrench, you can see that square cutout. That'll slip over there like that. That's your jack handle, lug nut wrench, jack. And then to get the spare tire out, there's just this plastic wing nut holding this on, so spin that out, and then your spare tire will pull free like that. And that should be everything you need in order to change your flat tire. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.